13, the year of the teen. You're not old enough to be legally employed in the US, but you can still start making some money around your town. Whether you're saving for clothes, tech, or a car in a few years, we've got your back. Here are 10 jobs for 13-year-olds that you can start doing this year. Number 1, dog walker. If you're a fan of animals, this one's for you. Print out some homemade flyers at home or your local library. List your name, contact phone number, and what your services include. You can include your price or wait to discuss it once you get an interested customer. This is a great first job for a 13-year-old because it has a zero startup cost. Customers will already have their dog's collar and leash ready to go. All you have to do is show up and wear comfortable shoes. Some doggy doo-doo bags would be a good addition, but that's about it. Go around your neighborhood and hand out your flyers or stick them in the mailboxes. Another great strategy is to go to your local park, dog park, or pet store and hand them out there too. Number 2, bin removal. I saw this job idea in a recent viral video and thought it was so creative. If you live in the suburbs where people have to take out their garbage bins a couple of times per week, you can offer your services to take the bins in and out. This is a simple, quick service that you can do for just a few bucks per bin. It won't be a huge moneymaker, but it'll get you some good connections with the neighbors that can lead to additional jobs related to home upkeep that we'll mention later on. Before you do this, ask your parent or locals what the trash pickup days and times are so you can make sure your schedule coordinates. Number 3, nanny. So long as they're responsible, a 13-year-old could swing a nannying job for a local family. This could be during the school year or just for school holidays and breaks. A teen would likely do best nannying children who are already potty trained, such as those who are 5 years old and above. You would entertain and play with the kids, have them eat certain meals or snacks, clean up a bit after them, and make sure they're safe while their parents run errands or work. Try offering your services on the local library bulletin board to start. Number 4, tutor. Any age can tutor so long as they know the materials. Are you really good at math or writing? Offer your services to younger kids in your school. You can hand out homemade business cards at after-school pickup or spread the word among your parents' adult friends. Number 5, pet sitter. Another great option for animal lovers is becoming a pet sitter. When someone is out of town for an event or vacation, you take care of their loved one, aka their pet. You could offer to board the pet at your house, if your parents approve, or go to the pet's home and make sure they're cared for daily. Some people may even want you to stay over to house sit at the same time. In fact, you could double up and offer both pet sitting and house sitting services. Number 6, car washer. There's nothing quite like a hand-washed car. If you have access to a few sponges, water, soap, and an economical bottle of tire shine, you can get the job done in a jiff. Offer to wash people's cars in their own homes, making sure you can access their hose, and you can make a pretty penny. If you have access to a vacuum, you can even add on an interior clean for extra dough. Number 7, lawnmower. If you live in the burbs, chances are some adult in your house owns a lawnmower. Learn how to use it and ask to borrow it to make some cash. Start with your neighbors and go door to door offering your lawn mowing services. Start cheaper to compete with the professional companies, then up your prices once you hit more than 5 customers or once the following year hits, whichever comes first. Number 8, lemonade or bake stand. Hear me out on this one. The lemonade stand lives on. I remember doing this when I was 10 with my best friend Tanya, and we made bank for a couple of 10-year-olds. Lemonade powder is super cheap at the store, and water is pretty economical too. It doesn't have to be homemade lemonade. The best part is you can charge $1 per cup, and you'll surely get tipped a ton by the local moms, dads, and grandparents who think you're such a sweetie. Plus, you don't need to know how to calculate return on investment for this one. I'm telling you, your return is sky high. And the same goes for baking muffins or cookies. Number 9, house cleaner/organizer. Are you a neat freak, super organizer, or simply enjoy cleaning? Start with your own house and take some before and after pictures. Closets, drawers, and dressers are great places to start. Use your before and after shots digitally or on a flyer to showcase your skills and offer to assist with cleaning or organizing for homes and offices. Your family would be a good place to start, then head out to neighbors. Just be sure you trust whoever's home you're entering and run it by your parents first. Number 10, plant caretaker. You don't have to be a plant mom like me to do this job. You just have to follow simple directions. If someone is going out of town and has a lot of plants, like me, they need to ask someone to water and look after them while they're gone. You simply go to the person's house and follow their directions in looking after their plants. Mostly, this will be watering and maybe making sure they're getting enough sunlight. Easy enough. There you have it, teens. 10 jobs for 13-year-olds to start earning your keep today. As always, thanks for watching and keep hustling out there.